If you've ever made a sandwich at home that looked amazing but came out uneven, soggy in the middle, but just not worth the effort, you're not alone. Most sandwich makers promise cafe-style results, but end up pressing the life out of your food or leaving half the bread barely toasted. That's exactly where the Breville Panini Duo comes in. And today we're going to see if it actually fixes that problem or just adds another appliance to your kitchen counter. The Breville Panini Duo is designed for people who want cafe-style paninis, grilled sandwiches, and quick indoor grilling without the hassle of a full setup. It's aimed at home cooks, busy professionals, students, and anyone who wants fast meals that still feel a bit premium. Whether you're making a simple grilled cheese or a loaded breakfast sandwich, this is built to handle it. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the design feels solid and familiar in that Breville way. The brushed stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look that doesn't feel cheap or overly plastic. It has some weight to it, which actually helps it stay stable on the counter while in use. The nonstick plates are flat and smooth, which makes both cooking and cleaning noticeably easier. Instead of struggling with stuck-on cheese or burnt crumbs, most of it lifts off with a simple wipe once it cools down. The build overall feels like something that's meant to last, not a lightweight gadget you replace after a few months. One of the standout features is the floating hinge system. In simple terms, this means the top plate adjusts naturally to whatever thickness you're cooking. Whether it's a thin toast tie or a thick, loaded panini with multiple ingredients, it presses evenly without crushing everything into a flat mess. That's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in real use. The adjustable height control also helps when you don't want full pressure, especially for softer sandwiches or melting cheese without compressing the bread too much. In everyday performance, the Breville Panini Duo heats up fairly quickly and maintains a steady temperature throughout cooking. You're not dealing with constant hot and cold spots, which is where cheaper sandwich makers usually fail. Cooking time is fast enough for a quick lunch or snack, and because the plates distribute heat evenly, you get consistent browning across the bread instead of uneven patches. It's also relatively simple to use. No complicated settings, just plug in, wait, and start grilling. Cleaning is another area where it performs well. Since the plates are non-stick, most residue wipes away easily after cooling. There are no complicated grooves that trap food, which makes maintenance simple even if you use it daily. Storage is also thoughtfully designed, with a locking system and cord wrap that keeps everything compact, especially helpful if your kitchen space is limited. Now, it's not perfect. While it does a great job with sandwiches and basic grilling, it's not meant to replace a full indoor grill or heavy-duty cooking appliance. You won't get the same searing power as a professional grill, and it's limited to smaller portions since it's a two-slice design. But within its category, it performs consistently and reliably. Compared to other sandwich makers in the same range, like basic George Foreman-style grills or budget non-stick presses, the Breville stands out mainly for build quality and even heating. Cheaper models often struggle with uneven cooking or weak hinges, while this one feels more controlled and balanced. You're paying a bit more, but you're also getting better consistency and durability in return. So who is this really for? If you make sandwiches regularly and want something that delivers consistent, cafe-style results without much effort, this fits perfectly. If you only use a sandwich maker occasionally, a cheaper option might be enough, but you'll likely notice the difference in quality. Overall, the Breville Panini Duo is one of those appliances that quietly does its job really well. It doesn't try to be flash. It just makes better sandwiches with less effort. If you want to check current pricing or read more reviews, you'll find the link in the description. If this video helped you out, consider liking the video, subscribing for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.